15 popular English slang expressions. In this video, we'll explore popular English slangs that will help you sound more natural in conversations. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS exam or just want to speak like a native, let's dive in. 1. Lit, formal, exciting or enjoyable. Explanation, used to describe something that's really fun or thrilling. Example, that concert was lit, formal. That concert was very exciting. 2. Ghost, formal, to suddenly stop communicating without explanation. Explanation, commonly used when someone disappears from conversations or relationships. Example, she ghosted me after our first date. Formal, she stopped responding to me after our first date. 3. Fam, formal, family or close friends. Explanation, refers to people you are very close to, like family. Example, what's up, fam? Formal, how are you, family/friends? 4. Flex, formal, to show off or brag. Explanation, refers to flaunting achievements, possessions, or skills. Example, he's always flexing his new car. Formal, he's always showing off his new car. 5. Salty, formal, annoyed or upset. Explanation, used to describe someone being bitter or irritated about something. Example, why are you so salty about losing? Formal, why are you so upset about losing? 6. Spill the tea, formal, share gossip or disclose information. Explanation, refers to revealing juicy or intriguing news. Example, come on, spill the tea. Formal, please share the gossip. 7. Woke, formal, socially and politically aware. Explanation, describes someone who is aware of social justice issues. Example, she's really woke about climate change. Formal, she is very aware of climate change issues. 8. Low-key, formal, somewhat or slightly. Explanation, refers to doing or feeling something subtly or secretly. Example, I'm low-key nervous about the exam. Formal, I'm slightly nervous about the exam. 9. Extra, formal, overly dramatic or excessive. Explanation, describes someone acting overly emotional or exaggerated. Example, stop being so extra. Formal, stop being so overly dramatic. 10. Chill, formal, relax or remain calm. Explanation, used to describe someone or something relaxed or laid back. Example, let's just chill tonight. Formal, let's relax tonight. 11. Hang out, formal, spend time with someone. Explanation, refers to casually spending time with friends or family. Example, let's hang out this weekend. Formal, let's spend time together this weekend. 12. Binge, formal, excessively indulge in something. Explanation, commonly used for watching multiple episodes of a show or eating/drinking a lot at once. Example, I binged that new series last night. Formal, I watched several episodes of that new series last night. 13. Sick, formal, impressive or excellent. Explanation, refers to something amazing or outstanding, contrary to the literal meaning. Example, that trick was sick. Formal, that trick was impressive. 14. Throw shade, formal, subtly criticize or insult someone. Explanation, used when someone indirectly expresses disapproval or insults. Example, she was throwing shade during the meeting. Formal, she was subtly criticizing someone during the meeting. 15. Snatched, formal, stylish or well put together. Explanation, often used to describe someone's attractive appearance or outfit. Example, your outfit is snatched. Formal, your outfit is very stylish. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more English practice exercises.